Number 3, back-to-back, doubleheader. Doubleheader severe thunderstorm warning, I believe.
The National Weather Service in Milwaukee has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Walworth County in southeast Wisconsin until 4:45 p.m. At 3:57 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Delavon Lake, moving northeast at 35 miles an
That
hour.
is number 3.
Golf ball size and
That is a doubleheader severe thunderstorm warning.
source. Radar indicated.
Again.
Impact. People and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Williams Bay around 4:05 p.m., Como around 4:10 p.m.
It is
Lake Geneva around 4:15 p.m.
4 p.m. right now.
4:30 p.m. Potter Lake around 4:35 p.m. Aquanago around 4:40 p.m. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Springfield, Delavon, and Burlington. Prepare immediately for large hail and damaging winds. People outside should move to a shelter inside a strong building and away from windows.
Then there's number 3, doubleheader.
Severe thunderstorm watch number 1